The manufacturing industry has experienced a noticeable trend towards increased digitalization and intelligence in recent years. The 3C electronics industry in particular encompasses a diverse range of products, complex production processes, stringent quality standards, frequent updates and iterations, and high manufacturing flexibility, which pose significant challenges and requirements for automation in production and supply chain intelligence for enterprises. Prominent Shenzhen Sunnypol Optoelectronics Co. Limited, specializing in the Chinese polarizer industry, focuses on the results, development, production, and sales of polarizers. The Shenzhen Longgang production base, among its 5 significant production sites in China, represents an intelligent factory collaboratively constructed by JINGDONG Logistics and Sunnypol. As a Class 100 clean workshop, the production base upholds strict requirements on delivery capacity, leveraging its advanced technological capabilities. JINGDONG Logistics has devised a versatile solution, seamlessly integrating over a dozen types of non-standard equipment and linking the in-factory production management system, ERP system, and quality control system within Sunnypol. Moreover, it intricately aligns with the polarizer production process, encompassing 6 main stages: extension, laminating, coating, curing, cutting, and edge grinding. The integration extends to both hardware and software for automated logistics and intelligent warehousing across the facility, comprising intelligent line-side warehouse, curing warehouse, normal temperature warehouse, comprehensive warehouse, and automated transportation equipment surrounding the warehouse area and production lines. The factory encompasses 6 floors in total, facilitating the entirety of the wide-format polarizer production process. In this round of upgrading and transformation, it is a groundbreaking step in the polarizer industry to utilize the rod insertion method for storing rolls of materials in the ASRS warehouse. It can accommodate the storage of raw materials and semi-finished products of various specifications, effectively addressing the inbound and outbound challenges of rolls of different specifications. On this basis, through the cooperation of high-precision AGVs and manipulators, automatic inbound and outbound operations of materials at line sides and automatic connection with production equipment have been accomplished, which is also a first in the industry. The upper system coordinates AGVs to transport goods across floors using elevators, achieving automatic transportation across different floors by integrating multiple lifts, conveyor lines, and manipulators within floors. Production materials are smartly transported throughout all the floors, resulting in overall unattended management, reducing error rates and scrap rates, and greatly improving work efficiency in production. The goods spray area integrates with manipulators to achieve 2 functions in the same space, greatly improving the customer's workshop utilization. RFID product identification enables rapid acquisition of material transportation and warehousing data in batches throughout the entire factory, and the materials are monitored in all links, achieving timely traceability and inventory of all raw materials and semi-finished products. Thanks to the upgrade and transformation solutions of JINGDONG Logistics, the Sunnypol Longgang factory has seen a 4-fold improvement in its storage capacity. Significantly, operation time has been shortened by 30% and labor efficiency improved by 50%. While material turnover efficiency has increased by 50%, these improvements have successfully enhanced its production and warehouse management capabilities, as well as operational efficiency, ultimately forging a new model of intelligent warehousing and automated production. JINGDONG Logistics has made its wealth of experience in emerging physical enterprises, as well as the digitalization and intelligence capabilities resulting from long-term technological investments accessible to the public. The company promotes the intelligent transformation of key processes and optimizes production processes and quality control systems by leveraging its powerful logistics technology capabilities, thus accelerating the digital and intelligent transformation and high-quality development of more industries.